Yo, what's up guys? This is Cappy, and today we're gonna be making a new combo with something in it. It's gonna be a surprise. See it like that, Hunter's Grass, go this. Well, you see I was making this uppercut flowing water combo, but I need to learn the C-shaped side dash. So yeah, I'm making a new combo. So stay tuned for part 2 in this one, if I learn side dash. Well, you see, what I was going to make was, wait, let me just turn. Well, you see, I was trying to do is a mini uppercut, a C-shaped side dash into flowing water. Yeah. So, if you guys could support me, can you at least use my combo for once? Thank you. See, I'm trying to do this side dash. See, I'm trying to tap it, but I literally can't. See, I need to do the C-shaped side dash. Oh my god, that was almost favorite one. Alright guys, so if you want to support me, like and subscribe this channel and use my combo. At least this is genuinely creative for something. So you're gonna stay till the end until I do my combo. Oh! Damn! Damn, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, bruh. Hey! Nicely done. So, you guys think that's not a great idea, but can you at least try it? I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers for at least once. Hey, did it again! Oh my god, I missed. Alright, again, let's try it with... Aw, damn it. That was so nicely done. So it's not from Lord Heaven. It's literally not from Lord Heaven. I made it by myself, so please use my combo. I'm doing a mini uppercut and a C-shaped side dash and then use the combo. Like I'm doing this. Yeah. Oh my god, why did I miss? Yeah, so you guys, please use my combo to support me and like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.